Here you are, ladies and gentlemen. You got the Allis 7110 four-wheel drive, the real workhorse there for you. We do have a bit of a slow leak on the front left tire. When you got a 14-year-old helping you, he just wants to get on the tractor and go. Doesn't appear to have any broken glass in the cab at all. The glass is all intact. Perfect for doing those cold winter snow blows. So ladies and gentlemen, here's your opportunity for a four-wheel drive workhorse Duetz-Allis 7110 four-wheel drive. You can tell it's been serviced. Doesn't have a lot of extra hours on it since it was serviced. The filters are there. Check the hour meter. And ladies and gentlemen, you want another workhorse for the farm? Here's your opportunity. Bid, buy, and win.